Welcome to the TNF Show. Today we're unboxing Treasure X Ninja Gold Shadow vs. Light Battle Pack.
Okay, let's unbox it.
The tape's over here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my goodness, said thank you. I have to say welcome.
Wax wants to unbox too.
So, this is my homie. That's back for. Just gotta get this. Nope, 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 nope. There. What? Gotta turn it over. Okay, let's just do that. Yeah, let's.
No, it's you. What are you guys doing?
Unboxing.
Opening it up? What are you doing a video? TNL video? Huh? What happened?
Found a map, AK not map, AK instructions, AK. Wow. Okay, where's that piece of paper? Okay, one step one. What's step one? 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 Oh, yeah. Get this.
Don't use your teeth. That's a bad example for your followers.
Good example. Want me to do a British accent with it too?
Yeah. Do a British accent.
Oh, mate, you want some pie?
Mate is Australia.
Oi, want some pie? Gotta get that out. Gotta get that out. Don't need that. Okay, step one. We need this. Cheers. Come on. Get out.
What does it come with?
Come with this, that, and that. That was supposed to slice through, slice. Who got possible? Got it.
Does Wax get to open that one?
Okay, gotta put that sword in it. Put that sword on that side. Ooh, child. Okay. Who's gonna do light or dark? I'm gonna do dark, so I'm gonna use this sword. You're gonna use that side of the sword. So just gotta cut this open. That. Oh, we already took this off the top. So let's just put that back in there. Look, other side. Okay, I'm gonna leave that out. Okay. Wait, Okay, I'm gonna make a little hole for you, and then you can slice it open, okay? There, now slice. Okay, We got that. Now just need to open these up. Gotta get the sword.
What is it? What's inside?
This is the old guy. Wait, that's the ninja. Wait, yeah, that's the ninja. Is there more stuff in here? No, but it feels so satisfying. I got my ninja out.
Looks like dirt and snow.
Yeah. Actually, hers is glow in the dark, mine is not. I feel it. Feels so satisfying. I want to feel yours. Yeah, it feels so satisfying too. Gotta get my sword to get the
So
thumb.
satisfying videos. Is it like kinetic sand?
No, not way softer. Feel. Isn't it way softer?
Yeah, it's like a fluffy cloud.
Yeah, it feels like a cloud. Okay, wait 10 seconds. I think we gotta put water in this. No, we don't. Okay. Who's gonna slice open this? How about we go?
I thought that was for wax.
Here. And your sword. Ready? And poke your hole. And slice. Oh, the wax. Oh, yeah. It's gold wax. Guys, we'll show you in a minute. Just gotta get this plastic off here by cutting through it.
Did you show them what you got yesterday?
Yeah, we got this, and I got the ultra rare glow in the dark eye. I got this with the white dog. Okay,
Who got
here's
you
the
those?
wax. Our grandpa.
Who?
For Valentine's
Yeah,
Day.
look over here and talk.
For Valentine's Day. You all know Valentine's Day was yesterday.
Who'd you get it for Valentine's Day?
Each other.
Who took you shopping?
My grandpa.
Did you tell him thank you?
Okay, here's the wax that we both need cut through. So get your swords. Get your swords. And one.
What do you tell the kids?
Thank you for watching.
Look over here at them.
Thank you for watching. If you want to see more Treasure X videos, say in the comments. And make sure to like this video. And subscribe. The Treasure X Ninja says subscribe. Right here on the trash. All we need to do is find the weapons, Lily. Yeah. Hey, Kitty, can you get me a plate, please? From the board that was supposed to cut open with the horn inside of it. I found the side. The gold side. Well, I found a sword. Oh, that's mine. Wait. Okay. Wait. I could use this little tool to cut through, but I don't want to.
Find anything else?
I found something. It's like this little like arrow that you throw. Found all of these, but there's one more. I think there's a couple more weapons. Found this tiny little ninja star. Found another weapon. Another ninja star.
Morning.
This little sword. This giant size sword.
What if we got open this?
The arrow. The grappling hook thing. And 2 ninja stars. Gotta put those over there.
Board.
Okay.
That's supposed to
We
chop.
gotta chop through that board. Open it.
How are you gonna chop it open?
You gotta see. I can get this. This should really make these things open way easier.
Yeah.
Use your knife.
There, got it. Now, you ready to chop through this? Get your sword. Now, I'm gonna chop right here. You can chop right there. And start cutting.
Teamwork. What's gonna work? Teamwork.
How about I just whip it like that?
What is it? What is it?
A sun.
Honestly,
A sun coin. Is there anything else in here? No, there's nothing
No.
else.
we need to
Board.
put it on the sword.
And now,
We need to build the sword. Then put it on the X.
there. Now put it on. Okay, this is how you put it on. You get this coin out and then you put it on the middle. Then boom, you got yourself some swords. And then you need this. Then we put the sword up on here. Then boom, you got yourself your own little battle pack.
Yeah.
Let's set this thing up.
On a
Two.
scale from 1 to 10, how would you rate this Treasure X unboxing toy?
90,000 million.
10
Rex gives that a good review. Good bad review.
I rated 10 out of 10.